Hello everyone, let's talk about crypto. Today I'm gonna cover a little bit of the markets, and then after that we're gonna talk about airdrops pretty much. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into the video. Now, regarding the markets in general, the crypto markets, everyone's waiting on the cut rates. We don't know yet if it's gonna be 25 or 0.50, or there are some calls for 0.75% even. Today we're moving a little bit on the green, but from what I'm seeing here, the move is the up move is not very big, and I don't think the cut rates in general are priced in. So depending on the cut rates and the amount we're gonna see, there might be an up spike if it's 0.50, for example, a little further up, maybe to 63, 64. In general, no one knows what the reaction is going to be. Everyone's waiting. And in my opinion, the smarter move, because we are in September and historically is the best, is the worst month for, is the worst month for crypto. And then we have October, which is the historically the best month in crypto. So with all that said, I think the smart move will be to wait for the cut rates, and after that, depending on the market reaction, to position myself, at least from trading perspective, because I'm looking to open a few longs here and there. Well, I have some open positions, but they are very small, and my plan is not financial advice, of course, to wait for the cut rate, see the reaction globally, and then position myself for the potential up move. We'll see today and tomorrow what's gonna be the reaction from the market and after the cut rates are announced officially. But from what I see, potential bigger cut rates are not priced in into the crypto market yet. On the other screen, I'm looking at S&P 500, and honestly, we are near all-time high again. We're actually zooming in. I see that we have marked new all-time high. So at least on Wall Street level, everything is getting priced in. But I'm observing pretty much all the markets, and honestly, last good S&P 500 up moves were not printed or were not priced in into Bitcoin. Bitcoin was suffering a little bit, but you know, they are kind of different. And honestly, I do want to see this in the future, because we all fight for Bitcoin to become hedge against everything. So we want Bitcoin to be detached from the Wall Street in general, and still it's not still ready. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. The smart move is to, in my opinion, the smart move is to wait for the cut rates and then position yourself, if you are looking for a trade, to position yourself afterwards once you see that good reaction from the market. Moving on to some airdrop claims, we have Egan Foundation here in Egan Lair. Look, now if you are farming this, check directly with Egan Lair if you have some allocation, because I did have some allocation there, and also I'll leave a link in the description, by the way. So you can claim that right away. It's claimable already, and there are different announcements from the other different related liquidity protocols, and I'm just gonna give example with EtherFi, because I do pretty much farm it, and all similar, let's say, where you are generating Egan Layer points will be saying something similar, that they need to verify with Egan Layer, and their claims will be available throughout their platforms, because that's the decision which was announced by Egan Layer. So for example, EtherFi, they're expecting the checkers to be live around September 19, so in 2 days, and then next week the claims to be live, and I assume it's going to be similar with all other liquidity projects where you are generating Egan Layer points and you have allocations there. But I do encourage you to also check the main website, because you might have allocation here as well. Moving on to Simon's Cat, because I'm covering it, and I'm bullish on the meme in general. This is the KuCoin chart here, because it's tracking from the beginning. We also have Bybit perpetual there, I think 12.2 12.5 leverage there. My personal plan is to wait for the Binance listing first. If you are bullish on the meme, it's looking good. It's holding it was holding very nice during the red days of crypto. So if you are bullish on this one, on pullbacks, might be wise to generate some. I am generating myself cat on every pullback. And my plan is to open also a leveraged position, a trading position, but I really want to see that Binance listing, because there is a lot of coins, despite the fact that you can withdraw from Binance. A lot of people don't bother because they got like $100, $200, $300 allocations, airdrop allocations on Binance, and they are holding them there. So I am expecting, once it's listed for trading on Binance, to see a little bit of a dip. I don't know if it's going to be a crazy one, because it seems that the team behind Sam's Cat are handling the airdrop pretty well, and we don't see any big drops. Plus their Telegram channel is getting wild and wild and wild, and they're keeping the fire and the hype level very high. So I don't know how big that dump, let's say, if we want to use that word, is going to be, but I think there will be some. So my plan is to position myself after I see the Binance listing. So not financial advice, but I want to share my plan with you. Moving on, we have another meme which is on BNB chain. Today I noticed, well, after yesterday I did notice the meme. It might be nothing, but it sometimes those memes, because BNB chain is one of the, let's say, meme supporting chains in general, the OG of memes. A lot of memes were launched here. So check this one, bread and butter, because it's looking good, has a lot of supporters. Memes are very hyped, and they will be part of this bullish of this bull cycle. So this one might have potential, and I wanted to tell you about it because it might be the next cat. Who knows? It might become bigger. You never know with those memes. It can surprise us. It can be free money. So yeah. Moving on, we have Banana, and this is one more of those Telegram free airdrops where it's spam to earn rewards, pretty much different tasks. And you have also referral program, and there are also different type of bananas. Some are kind of quite rare, and you can get, for example, 100 USDT or 10 USDT or 500 USDT, whatever, different rarities. So I mean, I'm telling you about it. It's free. You can start farming it. Those Telegram airdrops are getting a lot of popularity, especially in the last like month or 2 months, let's say. There is very big traffic there. A lot of memes are launching there. So Telegram is becoming more and more, or taking bigger part in the airdrop field. So probably we'll talk about more and more from those. The first ones might be the bigger ones in terms of airdrop. So we'll see guys. It's free. I'm telling you about it. Link in the description. As I said, if you love those spam free airdrop farms, go ahead and hit this one. Moving on, another airdrop, and there is also a referral program as far as I remember with this one. GameFi, you play games, you get you do different tasks, you gain points, you climb the leaderboard, and at some point airdrop or whatever rewards, let's say. So balance fund, GameFi platform seems promising. Not a lot of hunters are talking about this one, but yeah, I mean, you have few of the big names here. So, and you have the reward system, and if you are into the GameFi, if you love playing games, or if you, in my case, I do play games, I love to play games, especially in the weekend. So I'll probably test it out and maybe do a follow-up video once I gain some points and once I get some more impression from this one. But take a look, link in the description, because it has potential. Next one, anime. Here, this one you can spam it because you can register with different emails and grab those. Let's wait for the sound. I don't know if you can turn it off. You're getting those stickers. They're common, uncommon, and other rarities. So, but you can use different emails. So maybe test it out with your emails, and if you get something special in rarity, maybe you can get some kind of good reward at some point. It's free, so yeah, why not? I just wanted to tell you about it. So this is the last thing I wanted to talk about today. Thanks for watching the video. We're all waiting for the cut trades. We're all waiting for the market reaction. So let's see, guys. And I mean, September is nearly, we have 2 more weeks from September, then October. And I think the future is very exciting. Looking the overall picture, I do believe that there is way bigger chance for us to see the new bull cycle starting before end of the year. So yeah, I think exciting times ahead. Thanks for watching. Join my Discord if you haven't yet. We are gonna be doing some rebranding there. But yeah, it's free, so make sure to join, and I'll see you all with the next one.